Welcome to Sahal's EduZone. We are going to discuss about the topic acids and alkalis. In this lecture, we will discuss about strong acids, strong bases, examples of strong acids and bases, definitions, general characteristics of bases. Strong acid. A strong acid is an acid which ionizes completely in a solution of water. Examples of strong acid: hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, sulfuric acid, perchloric acid, hydroiodic acid, nitric acid. Mnemonic for strong acid is CBS-PIN. Strong bases. A strong base is a base that is completely dissociated in an aqueous solution. These compounds ionize in water to yield one or more hydroxide ion per molecule of base. Examples of strong bases: lithium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, rubidium hydroxide, cesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, strontium hydroxide, and barium hydroxide. According to Arrhenius, acids produce hydrogen ions when they dissolve in water. Bases produce hydroxide ions when they dissolve in water. According to Bronsted-Lowry concept, acids is a proton donor and base is a proton acceptor. An acid donates a proton forming its conjugate base. A base accepts a proton forming its conjugate acid. If a base can behave both as a Bronsted-Lowry acid and as a Bronsted-Lowry base, then it is called amphoteric. Water has this ability. Lewis concept. An acid is an electron acceptor and base is an electron donator. General properties of bases: bitter taste, slippery or soapy texture, they turn red litmus blue, corrosive nature. Like acids, the solution of bases in water also conduct electricity. The pH value of bases range from 8 to 14. Reaction with the metals. Bases react with the metal to form salt and hydrogen. For example, sodium hydroxide react with the zinc to form sodium zincate and hydrogen. Reaction with the non-metal oxide. Non-metal oxide react with the base to form salt and water. For example, calcium hydroxide react with the carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate and water. Here, metal in base, that is calcium, react with the carbon dioxide to form salt. Bases react with acid to form salt and water. Sodium hydroxide react with sulfuric acid to form sodium sulfate and water. Chemical nature of bases. A base is a substance which when dissolved in water gives hydroxide ions in the solution. Bases are metal oxides. Example: calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, sodium hydroxide, etc. The bases which are soluble in water and gives hydroxide ions in the aqueous solution are called alkalis. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for further videos.